India has just shocked the world once again. In the financial year 2025-26, India's defense exports have surged by an impressive 62%. The total export value has now reached around $4.1 billion. That's nearly 38,000 crore rupees. This is the highest ever in India's history. But the big question is, how did this happen? Over the past few years, under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, India has significantly strengthened its domestic defense manufacturing. Today, India is no longer just an importer of weapons, it is becoming a powerful exporter. India is now exporting advanced military equipment like missile systems, aircraft components, drones, radars, and even warships. And here's something even more impressive. India is supplying defense equipment to more than 100 countries worldwide. Both private companies and government organizations have played a major role in this growth. Supportive government policies and simplified export procedures have further accelerated this success. If we look back just 10 years, in 2014, India's defense exports were only a few hundred crore rupees. But today, that number has crossed 38,000 crore rupees. That's nearly a 30 times growth. And this is just the beginning. India has now set an ambitious target of reaching 50,000 crore rupees in defense exports in the coming years. With growing global demand and rapid technological advancements, India is steadily moving towards becoming a global defense powerhouse. This rise is not just about business, it's about strength, self-reliance, and global influence. India is no longer just buying power. India is becoming a global supplier of power. The future looks strong, the future looks Indian.